This is me, Vikrant. I am recording this video on 26th of March 2025. You can see me that I look much more better in this outfit because I have just returned from the college, and I think that I look much more better as compared to the video I record in what we say in the evening. Maybe because I have just returned from the college. I wanted to tell you one thing that I returned from the college around 3:40 p.m. or maybe 3:35 p.m. And when I reached back to home, I don't have the time to actually create a script, or more or less like I had the time to create the script, but I did not created it. Basically, when I reached back to home, uh, I had I discussed something with my mother about basically. I discussed something with her, and after that, I came back to the hall where I am right now. I am sitting on the sofa. So basically, I come back to here and I started recording. I started watching the reels. Right, I started watching the reels, and I started watching the reels. So basically, I just started scrolling it one after the other. And then basically, when I encountered a reel that I have that was a motivational reel, or maybe it was some sort of like the reel which will help you to get the clarity. This is some sort of that reel. So basically, when I watched that reel, I suddenly realized that I have watched this reel yesterday. And when I watched this reel, I actually came to know that it actually makes no sense to actually scroll reels even if they are informative. So suppose if a reel is informative, right, you will get a particular amount of knowledge, but what you will do about that knowledge, it was just merely a 30-second or 60-second video. You did not get you did not understood the complete concept. You did not understood the background behind it. You did not understood the current scenario about that particular topic. So what's the reason behind watching that video? Also, one more thing I wanted to add is, even if you are watching that video, it makes no sense because the YouTube algorithm will provide this type of video to majority of people. You are not unique, right? You are watching this video along with many people out there who are with you. I just realized that the video that I am watching, my brother was also watching that video. The video was basically a science fiction plus a philosophical video. So basically, the guy who was in that video was actually discussing how they actually freeze the complete light, like how they freeze the light and how they freeze the light, um, and what are the philosophical aspect that can be discussed using that example. So I saw my brother watching the same video that I watched, and I thought that I am watching something unique, but that was not unique, right? It was the algorithm that want me to feel that I'm watching something unique, right? The There is a sudden rush of dopamine happening in my brain. I am watching something funny, after that I am watching something emotional, after that I am watching something romantic, after that I am watching something what we say sexually arousal, after that I am watching something which is very very adrenaline boosting, right? For example, any fight scene, riding a motorcycle, motivational video. And that's literally fry our neuroreceptors, because we are not being able to actually process those data. We are just dumb scrolling it because we don't have the time to process that data. We don't want to actually process that data. That's a very huge problem. And let me tell you about how I actually started scrolling this video. I came back to home at 3:40. I talked to my mother. After that, I removed my socks, and I didn't even wash my hand, and started scrolling the video. And I lie down onto my sofa and started scrolling it. I actually realized that it's very, very, very weird thing to actually do. Because imagine this thing. Let me tell you one thing. I'm scrolling the reels, right? I'm scrolling the reels. I can scroll the same reels even after 20 years, even after 40 years. But I can't do the things that I'm supposed to be doing now, right? I'm supposed to solve DSA questions now. It won't make any difference if I started solving it 20 years ahead, right? Because the boat would be arrived, right? The ship would be already arrived, because the ship would be already arrived. There will be more sort of technology which will be coming in future. So it won't make sense for me. Now I am getting the chance, now I am getting the opportunity, so better grab it, right? Why we need to actually stop for a perfect time, or maybe like mm, maybe scroll the video just for the temporary happiness. Even if I spend 4 hours scrolling this type of videos, it makes no sense. It doesn't provide any sort of what we say motivation. It does not provide any sort of satisfaction, even though it provides the short term happiness. But that comes with the regret, right? When you spend 4 hours, you get the short term happiness. After that, you get the regret. My friends who are with me in my college are actually going to the internship, right? They are going to the internships, and they are going to internship, and they are learning something new. I actually laugh on them, why they are going to an internship which is not paid, in which you are actually meant to learn something, like in which you are meant to be sit down on a bench. It is just like a tutorial, or basically it's like a classes. You are meant to sit over the benches and learn from the guy who is teaching you, just like a school teacher, right? It's more or less like an engineering college classroom, right? So why does it even make sense? I really I wonder about it. But right now I really think that they are doing something better, because they went to the classes. They start attending the lecture at 3 o'clock. They attended till 5 o'clock, right? They come back to home around 6:30 p.m. So if I'm doing the same thing, I'm scrolling the Instagram reel, I'm scrolling the YouTube shorts, I'm watching those videos until 6:30, and I'm doing nothing. At least they are doing something productive. They are learning something which can be asked in the interview question. Why I'm not doing the same thing, right? The main thing is actually my tendency to not accept the fact that I am vulnerable to job unemployment, right? I'm not unemployable. Let me accept it. Maybe I think that I might be best in one company, or maybe a one office. I might not be able to get into the many office, right? That's what I'm thinking. That's what I need to fix, right? I want to make myself employable, so that I can get accepted in any office I want, in any company I want. So for that, what I need to do, I didn't have much more time. I just have 2 to 3 months left with me, and that's the best time actually we can do to solve our life problem. The first thing is to solve the DSA problem. Second thing is to actually learn more about development concepts, make more projects, learn from your mistakes. And third is actually to focus on the blockchain and studies, right? The study is also important. I can't neglect this fact that I have to study for the subjects that I have opted, and that's a very very tough question. So that's a very tough scenario. That's why I need to actually learn for that subjects, and I will be definitely going to study for that subjects. Maybe what I don't know why I'm still feeling the temptation to watch videos. How I can actually fix this? Maybe I can just go onto my desk, open the laptop, and start doing something. I don't actually have a plan what I will be doing now. Let me decide what I can do. Even if I open my laptop, I supposed to do something, right? I'm supposed to do something. If I go onto my desk and just open the laptop, uh, does it will be helpful? No, right? It won't be helpful. Like, what does it mean? It mean nothing, right? So what I should do? uh, I don't feel like uh, studying. But what I need to study, I think that it's better to actually start with the project. I think that I will complete my project, and I will be starting it from today. After that, like from tomorrow onwards, what I will be doing, right? I don't have uh, I don't have idea. Okay, I do have it. Maybe I can. The first thing I can do is actually start coding about my project. Second thing is the internship. Uh, that I need a structured way to actually study all of this thing. Maybe I fail because of the fact I don't have schedule, right? I don't have plan what I need to do every day, right? I need to make a plan and take actions according to it. I will see. I will update you guys further. And I'm talking this to the future version of myself. Please ensure that if you are watching this video, don't make the mistakes that I'm making right now. Let me ask myself, what are the chances of me scrolling the YouTube again back? I don't know why my look, I am not even able to understand why I'm not uh, doing the right thing. I know time stops for no one. Like it was, I feel the same thing when I'm in the last lecture. I feel the same thing that I was here 3 days ago. I was there 4 days ago. Whenever I'm attending the uh, cybersecurity lecture, I thought about the same thing. Why I'm actually there. I should do something else, right? Okay, let me update the video. Update you guys after.